In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Weebly site. Whether you're pausing your online presence temporarily or making changes behind the scenes, unpublishing your site is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you'll be able to do it quickly and effortlessly, so let's dive in. First, head over to Weebly's website by typing in weebly.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you'll have a couple of options to access your account. If you've set up your Weebly account with Square, click on Login with Square. This will allow you to proceed using your Square credentials, seamlessly linking it to your Weebly account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Weebly dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Overview. Clicking on Overview will give you a snapshot of your website's current stats and settings. It's a good place to review your site's details, especially if you're about to make some changes. Now that you're on the Overview page, your next move lies within the site preferences. Look around the interface, usually along a sidebar or under a settings gear icon, until you spot Site Preferences. Click on it to access more detailed controls over your site. Inside Site Preferences, you'll find an option labeled Unpublish. Selecting this option initiates the unpublishing process for your site. It's essential to recognize this action will take down your site from the public viewing until you choose to republish it. It's like putting your website on hold, and you can return anytime you like to make it live again. Taking your site offline doesn't erase its data or settings. Everything remains intact, ready for when you decide to unveil your website back to your audience. Handling these steps carefully ensures that your site continues to be a flexible tool for your needs whenever you decide to use it. So, if you're prepared to proceed, confirm your choice when prompted, and your Weebly site will successfully be unpublished. Remember, while your site is unpublished, viewers will not be able to access your content, but you, as the administrator, retain full access to tweak, update, or revamp your pages for when you're ready to go live again. So there you have it, unpublishing your Weebly site is as simple as that. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials, ensuring you get the most out of your website's capabilities.